Alright folks, bit of a misty start to the day here in County Waterford. It's pretty much my ideal camp spot. Surrounded by trees and running water close by. I love the sound of the running water, but I brought my little dog along with me. See how he gets on. He's not exactly a van dog. If you leave him off the lead, he's gone. But yeah, I'm going to cook some spicy noodle soup a little bit later in the Dutch oven. So hang about for that, guys, and thanks very much for coming along with me, with us. Do. So I've had that chicken boiling for about 60 seconds. I'm just going to rinse off that water now and put fresh water in. So I just have some veg here. I'm going to chop it all and get it ready for the soup. I'll leave the recipe in the description so you know what I'm using. I'm just adding some chopped garlic, chopped ginger, coriander seeds, chilli and 2 stock cubes. That's just to get a base stock down. You want your grub, Louis? Grub? Sit. Good boy. Yeah. Noodles are cooked out now, so I'm just going to throw in a good fist of coriander and we're good to go. That's good, Louis. Louis calling the shots tonight. He's after jumping into the bed already. So yeah, look, we'll catch you in the morning, alright? Cheers, guys. Well. Morning, folks. Beautiful night's sleep in the van last night. Had the window cracked a little bit, could just hear the stream. Beautiful way to fall asleep. But woke up this morning to a bitterly cold morning. That wind is frigid. I could feel it in my fingertips. Winter is definitely on the way. I'm looking forward to it because I absolutely love winter camping. But me and Louis are all packed up. We're going to hit the road. We're only about an hour from home. So guys, thank you very much for joining me as always, and we'll catch you again, alright? Thank you.